Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to another episode of Nifty50 Nifty500 and Market Risk with SD. मैं हूं SD शानंद उदास, मल्टी एसेट ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट स्पेशलिस्ट। तो चलिए चालू करते हैं हम लोग का एनालिसिस। मैं थ्रू दिस एनालिसिस दो मैं बिलीव करता हूं कि किसी का सुन के ट्रेड नहीं करना चाहिए। I believe that this analysis on a regular basis is definitely helping some people to make the right decisions about the market, because we have been absolutely spot on since September when we have squared off the long-term portfolio like mutual funds, SIPs, looking at the long-term charts. So SIP इनके लिए long-term charts. सो टुडे आज हम लोग देखने वाले कहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे इज ऑफ कोर्स द निफ्टी 50 इंडेक्स। एंड हम लोग चालू करेंगे रिस्क को समझना पड़ेगा। वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द रिस्क वेरी वेल। सो फर्स्ट इज द रिस्क मास्टर। इन द वीकली चार्ट एक्सट्रीमली हाई लेवल ऑफ रिस्क on the asset class as well as on Nifty. In weekly chart, we are in the drawdown phase as per recession model. We are in a recessionary cycle, or as per model हम लोग एकदम recessionary second phase cycle का, which is major drawdown, market crash, economic pain, वो phase में as per the model जा चुके हैं। Since September we have entered the phase. Now in the daily chart, within this phase, it will help us to understand the fluctuating risk. Overall, this is the daily chart is still extremely late, not a great time to do any kind of investing decisions. Let's look at the extremely short-term swing frame, which is 125 minutes. 125 मिनट का चार्ट slightly better. चार लाल से one is yellow, that is better, but it's extremely high level of stress. This is not a market where you want to remain invested on the long side. Really not a great. This is a cyclical downturn. Some stocks will remain strong, but those names will be few. Even significant upside will not be there. So upside limited, downside more. Currently not a great time to remain on the stock investments or high risk investment. Significant risk has gone up, as you can see from the risk master, or so far we have been very accurate. ये एक डिसीजन कि ट्रेड कब ना करना है, कब इन्वेस्टमेंट ना करना है, कैन मेक अ सिग्निफिकेंट डिफरेंस इन योर जर्नी. नाउ वी विल लुक एट the risk master के बाद we are going to take a look at once again the weekly chart, and weekly chart में we are going to take a look at the asset master. Let me select the index as my setup, and also I will open up the RSI-X. So now I can see through my fountain of gold setup. Weekly chart pretty bearish, threatening to break down lower, extremely not so healthy right now. So it's looking very, very bearish at this point. Weekly chart significantly bearish. And largely chance of sell trade win is around 43%. कुछ एक chance है कि consolidate करेगा. एक टफ फाइट जरूर चल रहा है, बट इट इज स्टिल बियरिश की तरफ ही टिल्टेड ज्यादा है. टाइम इज रनिंग आउट ऑफ फॉर द बुल्स. नाउ दिस इज द डेली चार्ट. वी कैन सी द बुलिश फाइट गोइंग ऑन विद द ग्रीन सॉक्स. It is clearly showing that a tough fight is going on in terms of price action. Majority sectors are falling down. So overall, it is once again, we are able to see it's not a great time to remain invested. And stock ka decision ke liye we use the Nifty 500 chart, which is pretty bearish. We'll look at the weekly chart as we are trying to understand the long term. Nifty 500 stocks are extremely bearish. we are, as I said, we are in a recessionary cycle. So further downside से मैं बिल्कुल ही सरप्राइज नहीं होगा if Nifty 500 gradually over time goes down by another odd 20 to 25%, which is the significant drawdown risk for stocks. Remain extreme cautious and we remain in a square off mode. Though मैं recommend नहीं करूंगा किसी का सुन के करना, but if you want to know what I'm in a square off mode in all the stocks, and I'm more bearish. Mid cap Nifty everywhere I'm more bearish. Small cap I'm more bearish compared to Nifty 500. Nifty 500 I'm more bearish compared to Nifty 50. So I see more pain for the stocks in the upcoming weeks. But of course उसके अंदर एक one sided drop नहीं मैं expect कर रहा हूँ कोविड जैसा. I'm expecting more gradual longer term pain, जिसके अंदर ऑफ कोर्स some rallies होंगे. आपको गलतफहमी नहीं होना चाहिए between a rally, small scale bounce back and a true reversal. So that's all friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope this discussion आप लोगों को help कर रहा है कि किस तरफ आइडिया रखने के लिए इन्वेस्टिंग का. Best wishes from my side to you in your trading, and as always, happy trading.